So then my deputy collector had asked for meeting. There Vedanta company asle, mine officers were there, pollution boards were there, police department was there, traffic was there, and municipality Comunidad was there of Mulgao. So there were discussion basically of demarcation asle. Now company saying they will demarcate 50 meters from the last house. People are asking demarcation according to RP 21 or 500 meters from the last house. So I told the deputy collector, you find out legally what is correct demarcation. There must be correct. It is not that mining is only in Bicholim, there are minings in other places. And accordingly, whatever best in the interest of people, you take the decision. Second issue is there, they were asking, the Comunidad asking for their payment. Now, company is ready to pay, but company is asking them to sign an agreement for further next 3 years. What people are Comunidad is saying, you pay us the last, and the further 3 years we'll sit discuss and that which is not company. See, what I feel, they were saying, asking to, they are doing operations at night time. People want that operations at night time to be stopped. Company is saying that whatever they are doing legally they are doing, or whatever, whatever the condition it was put on this thing, lease, when the government has given them the lease area. My question was, I just asked deputy collector, you verify this, read the paper, and whatever is legally if it is there, well, but please take people's view in consideration. According to people, it seemed when this hearing was there, public hearing, more than 5,000 people have opposed it.
मायनिंग जे वयर आमचे से वेदांताचे मायनिंग जे चालू आसा ते नायट शिफ्टी खातीर लोकांक त्रास जाता. तशेंच जो बफर झोन जो आमी कितलेशेच मिटिंगेन हांगा डेप्युटी कलेक्टरा कडेन रेज केल्लो, पण अजून मेरेन त्या बफर झोनाचेर तेंच्यांनी कांयच करूंक ना. म्हणजे बफर झोन मार्क करून दिवचो आनी त्या प्रमाणे तेंच्यांनी मायनिंग सुरू करचें, पण टील डेट मेरेन तेंच्यांनी कांयच हें करूंक ना. जेन्ना ग्रामसभेन जेन्ना हो विशय येयलो तेन्ना ग्रामसभेन सगळ्या गांवच्या लोकांनी सरपंचाक सांगलें की तूं एक डेप्युटी कलेक्टराक लेटर कर, जी आमची नायट शिफ्ट चलता ती बंद करची आनी जे बफर झोन डिमार्केशन करूंक ना. आतां बफर झोन म्हटल्या बरोबर जे आमचे गांवचे लोक जे आसा तेंच्यांनी ऑलरेडी सांगलेलें आसा की 2021 जो आराखडो आसा त्या आराखड्या प्रमाणे जो बफर झोन मार्क केला प्रमाणे तेंच्यांनी कंपनीन रावचें आनी तो डेप्युटी कलेक्टरा मार्फत आमकां तो डिमार्केट करचो.
आमी तांकां पयलींचेच डिमांड परते तांकां आमी हें करून दाखयले सांगले, जेचेर आमचे अजून पर्यंत आमचो तोडगो कांय काडूंक ना. पण कलेक्टरान आमकां आतां डेप्युटी कलेक्टरान एश्युरन्स दिला की जे आमी कितें आहा नायट शिफ्ट जावं डिमार्केशन ते लेटर करून मायनिंग डिपार्टमेंटाक लेटर करून हें करपाचें म्हणून हें केलां, सॉर्ट आवट करपाचें.